Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and do a quick zoom on CapCut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your particular app on your mobile phone. So we're gonna go ahead access our CapCut. There we go. Right, once we have accessed our CapCut, we're going to go to this edit section and we're going to tap on this plus the new project. Go ahead, tap, and now go ahead, choose yourself a video and tap on this add. And now we have got ourselves our video file. All right, this is our video file. Select your particular video and tap on this animation, and now we will find a lots of kinds of this filters, okay, and which we need is zoom in, and we can see this option called zoom 3, zoom 1, and zoom 2, and if we need is zoom 1. And now you can see we can even select the time of our video, how long we want it. Once we have set that, that's how our video gonna appear. We can select it, make it according we like, and we can even change the zoom purpose. If it's this one, it's the outer space. Zoom out and zoom in, that's how we can do it. And then after you're done, tap on this check mark and simply export it. That's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.